Good morning, everyone, and happy Fantabulous Talent Show Friday. Mr. Junie is dressed up as an artist. Now, one of my talents is that Mr. Junie is an artist. Before I was a teacher, I went to college to study fine arts. So I learned how to draw better. I also learned how to sculpt better. And at the end of the video, after our daily math activity, I'm going to show you some of what Mr. Junie has created in the past. Okay? But let's move on to today. Now, it's not April anymore, it's a new month. The month is May. Everyone say May. So here is our date for today. Today is Friday the Lightning Bolt, May 1st. 2020, and you know what time it is. It is time for dun, 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 math meeting, and let's start by skip counting by fives. I don't know what you've been told. I skip count by five. Here I go. I skip count by five. Here I go. Sound off. Skip count. Sound off by fives. Ready? Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Kiss your brain 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now let's skip count by twos. Get ready to skip. Ready, set, skip. S-K-I-P. We skip count by twos. Oh yeah. S-K-I-P. Count by twos. Ready, go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Go 20. Go 20. Kiss your brain 1 plus 1 times. What's that? 1 plus 1 is 2. Kiss it 2 times. 1, 2. Nice job counting, friends. Now, let's learn more about some... Okay, friends, so we're gonna learn about our last kind of money. But before we learn about it, let's go over the coins that we learned about this week so far. So, this first coin is copper. And on the head side, it's Abraham Lincoln. And on the tail side, there's a Lincoln Memorial. What's the name of this coin? This coin is a penny. And a penny is worth 1 cent. Here's another coin with the head side of Thomas Jefferson. And on the tail side, it's a building of the Monticello. What coin is it? It's a nickel. A nickel's also silver and worth 5 cents. This other coin here that we learned about on Wednesday is the smallest of the coins. It's silver. Franklin D. Roosevelt is on the head side. On the tail side, there's a torch and flowers, and it's worth 10 cents. What coin is that? It's a dime. And yesterday, we learned about another silver coin. George Washington is on the head, and on the tail side, there's a picture of an eagle. And this coin is worth 25 cents. What's the name of this coin? It is a quarter. Nice job. So, the last kind of money we're going to learn about today is actually not a coin. Well, actually, it comes in 2 forms. It comes in a coin. It also comes in paper. Now, most of us have seen it in paper form. Do you know what this is called? It's called a dollar bill. Everyone say dollar bill. All right, so I'm gonna write the name of this money right here. I'm gonna put a dollar bill. So D-O-L-L-A-R for dollar, B-I-L-L for the word bill. So everyone say dollar bill. Dollar bill. And just like your coins, the dollar has a side with a head on it. So we'll just call it the head side. And who's on the head side of a dollar bill? It is the same person that's on the quarter. So on the dollar and the quarter, it's George Washington. So I'm gonna write that down. Hopefully I have some space. Yeah, I have space down here to write the name George Washington. George, Washington, Washington. Now you don't have to worry about how to spell George Washington. You just need to know who is on the head of the dollar bill. And it's George Washington. And there's also a backside to a dollar bill. It looks like this. And on the back side, we can also say the tail side, I see a pyramid, and this pyramid has an eye on it. And there's also another picture of what animal? It's an eagle. Whoa. There are a lot of similarities between a quarter and a dollar bill. Both have George Washington and an eagle on them. But the difference between these two is that one's a coin made out of silver in the color silver, and the other one is paper. And what color is a dollar bill? Green. So going back to the tail side, the dollar bill on the tail side has a pyramid, and I'll put the plus sign and an eagle. Oops, let's spell E-A-G-L-E. Cool. And the value of a dollar bill is $1. Everyone say $1. Now to represent dollar, you write the dollar sign. It looks like this. Have you seen this before? It's kind of like an S with two lines going down. And then I'll put the number 1. So the value of a dollar bill is $1. I can write it as a word too. $1, dollar. D-O-L-L-A-R. Oh, and remember how I said a dollar comes in both paper and coin? So here is a picture of a dollar coin. So you can see on the head side, surprisingly, you would think there's a president, but this isn't a president on the head side. It's actually a very, very famous Native American woman named Sacagawea. Everyone say Sacagawea. And her face is on the dollar coin. And on the tail side, what do you see? Oops. What do you see on the tail side? Oh, oops, I lost the picture. Let's see if I can find another one. Oh, it's right here. Here we go. We'll use this one. What do you see on that side? On the tail side, you see an eagle. Eagles are very important to America because they are the national animal. So you see an eagle flying or soaring in the sky on the tail side of a dollar coin, right? And also the color, what's the color of a dollar coin? It's gold, okay? So the dollar comes as a paper bill and a coin. So let's focus on the dollar bill though. So who is on the head side? It's George Washington. And who is on the tail side of a dollar? Or what do you see on the tail side of a dollar? You see a pyramid and an eagle. And how much is a dollar bill worth? It's worth $1. All right, nice job. These are all of the kinds of money that you need to know in kindergarten, and it's also a fluency level. This is fluency level 17. Everyone say level 17. For level 17, you need to know about money. So you need to know all the different coins and the dollar bill. You also need to know the value, so how much each of these coins and bills are worth. And you also have to be able to read the name of each kind of money. Again, that's level 17. You need to know about your different kinds of money. Awesome. That's it for math meeting today. Math meeting is over. Let's get on to our daily math activity. And for today, it's actually going to be our number story. Let's go.